The Ledge Robust Gamer, and today I'm going to be doing another fidget spinner video. This is like the third one or the fourth one. I don't know how much I've been doing these. It's like 4. I forgot. Like, yeah. So my mom went to her church, and I didn't go because I wanted to go, but like I don't know, I didn't feel well, so yeah. So she went, and at the end of the show, there was like this like stand with fidget spinners, and my mom got like 2 of them, no, like 3 of them, and then it's like a really cool color, and she got them for me, and like all the kids from the church were playing with them, just like nah, 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 and just doing that. My mom said that, and so she bought me 3, and so yeah, I'll be doing a review on them. So let me just take this off, and now and just grab them. They're not in the same package. I don't know why, but it's 2 white ones and it's a green one with those. So I got one of these colors. Choose put hashtag fidget spinner green or hashtag fidget spinner black in one of these in the comments, and then I'll put in the bottom. I'll put in the bottom, like when you already commented, I'll reply right or wrong. I'll be opening this one, but don't cheat. I don't like cheating. Okay, so I'll be doing that in the end. Okay. Number 1 is this one. It's a camouflage one. I really like it. Write a comment write a comment down below if you like the camouflage one. So it's this one. As iron, like silver bearings or something. And let's see how it's finished. Oh, so that's how it spins. So write in the comments if you like this one. Okay, next one is the American flag one. There we go. Okay, so it's American flag. It has gold bearings or something. Oh, they look like they get out. How about this one? This one gets out a little bit. So they take it out. Estoy haciendo un video. Sí. Okay, so I was talking to my mom. I usually talk Spanish and English. They like to talk Spanish. They think the Spanish is better, but they like it. So they usually talk Spanish. Okay, so the third one. Oh, so if you guys guessed it right, I'll comment right. I'll reply right, and yeah. And if you got and if you said green, then you're wrong. Okay. Okay. This is what it looks like. It has a little ball, There's little balls that you can move. You can grab them by here and swing it around. And let's see how it spins. Oh, we didn't see how long this spins. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm watching a show. Okay, so it wasn't that long, but did you see that? It went through my eye, and you can see my eye right there. Cool. And let's see how long the black one with the ball bearing or something. Spins. 1, 2. Oh, yeah. So it looks cool to see like a silver, like to see a silver line because of the because of the balls. Why is it supposed to be like a line when it's just balls? It's spinning for a long time. Tomorrow I can do a video of how I'll do like a timing. Like I'll get my sisters, and you won't see them in the video. Like how I cover their face, but I'm gonna tell them to get one. Sorry, I'll just do the example because sometimes I have like these things in my throat. I kind of like I don't like them, so I just do like this, and then I just like can't talk for some reason. So yeah, so I'll do a video with all these. That how long can they spin for? Oh, and I gotta show this thing that me and my friends do in school.